An alert day has been issued for this evening as we're tracking strong storms moving into the area. In fact, looking at the Storm Prediction Center, we're watching a level 1, 2, 3, and 4 risk for strong storms. Yes, we're seeing some light to moderate rain in our area, but this is the line that we're watching parts of southern Indiana. That's eventually going to shift into southwest Ohio and parts of Kentucky, which is why the Storm Prediction Center has issued that level 4 moderate risk for southwestern Ohio and also parts of Kentucky and southeast Indiana. But we still have that potential for strong storms in our neighborhood. Looking at radar right now, watching that flash flood watch over to our east, but also watching those scattered showers in our area as well. So zooming in, looking just a little bit closer, let's get deep down into your neighborhood, show you exactly what we're looking at. Just south of Bellevue, really seeing a big cell right there. Also Green Springs, Fremont, some more moderate rain. Also same thing down over towards Tiffin. So notice it's pockets of that moderate rain. Bradner, Jerry City, just southeast of Bowling Green, and also on top of North Baltimore at the moment. And looking just a little bit further south, you can see this system moving rather quickly. Seeing a decent amount of precipitation on top of Findlay as well. But as far as folks in Wood County and Lucas County, it really just depends on where you are, but it's basically east of Perrysburg, east of Haskins, but Toledo actually getting a break almost from those rain showers. Sylvania, Assumption, Swanton getting a break as of now, but more rain showers are expected as we go on throughout the rest of the afternoon and the evening. It just depends on this warm front. You can kind of see it right there, right where that line is as those winds are coming in from the south, the northeast, but also coming in from the southeast. And because this warm front, our temperatures are kind of all over the place. Some of us in the 40s, the further north you are, the further south you are, in the 50s, but also in the 60s. And this is the line that we're watching down here from Putnam County, Hancock County, Wyandotte County. You can see over towards Crawford County as well, Seneca County. That's the biggest potential for those strong storms to really fire up later on this evening. But as far as the impacts go, we're talking wind gusts around 60 miles an hour, if not even greater. Hail about the size of a golf ball, maybe ping pong ball size hail. That tornado threat has gone down, but it's still a possibility for a tornado throughout this afternoon, also throughout this evening. So let's look ahead towards tonight. Still tracking more spotty showers throughout this evening. Moderate to very heavy rain is possible. And with any of these cells, a tornado, hail, those strong winds could also fire up. But eventually we'll push on out of here later on tonight, and then seeing temperatures cool down and even seeing that potential for snow, especially going on into Thursday. But it's going to be a soggy and fairly chilly week. I mean, look at that. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, more scattered showers. At least the weekend will be dry, seeing temperatures in the 50s, slowly warming up. But as far as your eclipse forecast goes, there is that potential for some rain. But look at that. The rest of the week, we are back to the 60s. That's a look at your extended forecast.